So hello everyone, welcome to my channel Science Explorer. Let's explore the world.
So hello everyone, in this video we will explore some top scientific facts. Number 1. A human stomach can dissolve razor blade. I think you are shocked, but it is true. On the rare occasion that you swallow a razor blade, don't fret. The human body is more capable than you think. Acids are ranked on a scale from 0 to 40. The lower the pH level, the stronger the acid. Human stomach acid is typically 1 to 2, meaning that it has an impressively strong pH. In a study, scientists found that thickened back of a single-edged blade dissolved after 2 hours of immersion in stomach acid. But don't ever try to eat razor blade because it may harm you. Number 2. A laser can be trapped in water. Amazed? But this is also true. Yes, really. A cool thing called internal reflection is applied when pointing a laser beam through a container of water. When light travels through water, it's slowed by the heavier particles in water, as described here. Thus, the laser beam effectively gets trapped in water. Number 3. Now, I will ask you a question. Ever stop to think where oxygen comes from? Your first thought may be rainforest, but the marine organisms take the bait. Plankton, seaweed, and other photosynthesizers produce over half of the world's oxygen. We know the answer to this and other fun science facts, but there are other ocean mysteries that scientists can't explain. Number 4. Animals use Earth's magnetic field for orientation. Lost and animals may not able to find their way home, but sea animals might. According to US Geological Survey, there is evidence that some animals like sea turtle and salmon have the ability to sense Earth's magnetic field and to use this sense for navigation. Number 5. Everyone's childhood dream of floating on a weightless cloud may get rained on with this fact. A cloud can weigh over 1,000,000 pounds. An average cumulus cloud can weigh up to 1,000,000 pounds. Yes, 1,000,000 pounds. That's about as heavy as world's largest passenger jet. So remember, before you hop on a plane, it's important to check the weather. Number 6. When do you laugh so loudly? When someone tickles you, right? But do you know animals also laugh? Yes, rats laugh when being tickled. These creatures are more dynamic than we think. Rats have the ability to laugh when tickled. A National Geographic video demonstrated that the rats respond positively to the tickling, and they even chase after the researcher's hand in a playful manner. Number 7. Can you tell me how many stars are there in our galaxy? You'll say that it is uncountable. But you will be shocked after hearing this. There are more trees on Earth than the stars in our galaxy. Yes, it's true. NASA experts believe there could be anywhere from 100 billion to 400 billion stars in the Milky Way galaxy. However, a 2015 paper published in the journal Nature estimated that the number of trees around the world is much higher than 3.04 trillion. It's a huge number, right? But this doesn't mean that there is no need to plant more trees on planet Earth. Due to deforestation, the number of trees is decreasing day by day, which is affecting the planet Earth badly. So I request you to plant more trees and protect our Mother Earth. Number 8. Can you tell me some radioactive materials? You'll say uranium, thorium, etc. But do you know banana is also radioactive? Shocked? But it is also true. For one of our strangest science facts, bananas contain potassium, and since potassium decays, that makes them slightly radioactive. But this is one of those fun science facts you don't need to worry about. You need to eat about 10 lakh bananas at once to die of radiation poisoning. Number 9. If I will give you 2 bowls, one bowl will contain hot water and other bowl will contain cold water. And if you put it in a freezer, which one will freeze first? You might be thinking the bowl containing cold water will freeze first. But this is wrong. The bowl containing hot water will freeze first. This fact seems to be strange, but it's called the Mpemba effect. After a Tanzanian student named Erasto Mpemba, who told his teacher that a hot mixture of ice cream froze faster than the cold one, scientists now believe this is because the velocity of water particles have a specific disposition while they are hot that allows them to freeze more readily. If proven correct, this finding could also have an implication in daily life, like cooling down electronic devices. Similarly, cold water heats up faster than the hot water. The researchers who investigated the cause of Mpemba effect made this discovery as well. They unsurprisingly named the phenomenon the inverse Mpemba effect. Number 10. If I'll ask you, what is the state of water on the earth? You will say it could be in one of the three states, solid, liquid or gas. But what if I say water can exist in three states at once? Yes, this is true. This is called the triple point. And at that temperature, water exists as a gas, a liquid and a solid simultaneously. It requires very specific condition to achieve. So don't even think about trying it at home. Well, I hope you liked the video. Let's meet in the next video to explore the world. And remember to press the subscribe button and bell icon to get the latest updates of my channel.